Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact flight controller model and compatible firmware. This avoids bricking. Once identified, install the required USB drivers and connect USB power so you can flash without battery hazards. Make sure to back up the current configuration now. It's your restore point. Next, load the firmware into the configurator and select the correct target board. Flash the firmware and watch for completion messages. If the flash fails, stop and recheck drivers and cable integrity before proceeding. Once the firmware is on, you configure core settings. Set board orientation, choose a PID loop, and set sensor sampling rates so the controller reads reliably. Make sure to calibrate the accelerometer and magnetometer on a flat, non-metal surface. Then calibrate RC inputs and ESCs with props removed. Next, assign motor layout and test spin directions at low throttle. Configure failsafes, OSD overlays, telemetry, and flight modes. This ties sensors and commands to safe behavior when you are airborne. Now you complete final checks. Run a motor test and verify stick inputs produce expected motor responses. Keep props off while doing this. Once satisfied, conduct a short tethered hover test to validate stability and fail-safe behavior and ensure return or safe landing functions work. If things go wrong, such as vibrations, runaway motors, or poor orientation, inspect solder joints, check ground loops, confirm motor mapping, and rerun sensor calibrations. These steps usually resolve the majority of setup issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.